Namaste friends, welcome to Infinity Pi Math. Today we are going to learn a trick using which you can square any number up to 1000 in 5 seconds. Let us find the square of this number. 5 square, that is 25, 6 square, that is 36, and in the middle number I am doing some calculations and I am writing it as 60. Then my final answer is 256036. Isn't it so cool? Now let us use the trick with some smaller numbers. Then we definitely come back to apply that trick with the 3-digit numbers. Let us try to find out the square of the number 48. Now we can write this as 4 square, that is 16, and 8 square, that is 64. Now we will multiply 4 into 8, that is 32, into 2, that is 64, and we will write it here 64, and we simply add those numbers. This is 4, 6 plus 4 10, 0, 1 will carry forward. Now 6 6 12 plus 1 13, we will write 3 here, 1 will be carry forward, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer of 48 square is equal to 2304. Let us apply this trick with some bigger number. For example, 63 square. Then we can write this as 6 square, that is 36. 3 square is 9. 9 we need to write it in a 2-digit format, that is 0 9. Now we have to multiply 6 into 3, that is 18, into 2, that is 36, and we have to write it here. So adding these two numbers, we can write here 9, 0 plus 6 is 6, 3 plus 6 is 9, and this is 3. Hence 63 square is equal to 3969. Now let us apply this trick with a little bigger number, that is 87 whole square. You need to be little careful while applying this trick for this number. So we can write 8 square, that is 64, and 7 square, that is 49. Now let us multiply 8 into 7, that is 56, 56 into 2, that is 112, and 112 is a 3-digit number. Usually in our previous example we normally got the 2-digit number, hence we started putting this number from here. If it is a 3-digit number, then we have to put the number from here. Now simply we need to add it. This is 9, 4 plus 2 is 6, 4 plus 1 is 5, and 6 plus 1 is 7. Hence the square of 87 is equal to 7569. Now I hope you can find the square of any 2-digit numbers by applying this trick. Let us find the square of 514. Now we can write this as in 2-digit format, like 5 square is equal to 25, 1 square is 1, we need to write it in a 2-digit format, that is 01, 4 square is 16. Now we need to multiply 5 into 1, that is 5, into 2, that is 10, and I have to write 10 here, 1 0. Then 1 into 4, that is 4, 4 into 2, that is 8. So 8 I can write in a 2-digit format, write 08. Now we need to multiply 5 into 4, that is 20, into 2 is 40, and we can write 40 here, and we can add all the numbers, like this is 6, 8 plus 1, that is 9, 1 plus 0 plus 0, this is 1, 0 plus 0 plus 4, that is 4, 5 plus 1 is 6, and this is 2. Hence the square of 514 is 264196. Let us find the square of another 3-digit number. For example, 684 square. Now we can write this as 6 square, that is 36, 8 square, that is 64, 4 square is 16. Now multiply 6 with 8, that is 48, into 2 is equal to 96. 6. Now multiply 8 into 4, that is 32, into 2, that is 64. And again we have to multiply 6 into 4, that is 24, into 2, that is 48. Now add these three numbers like this. This is 6. 4 plus 1 is 5, 6 plus 4 10, plus 8 18, 1 will carry forward, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 6 13, plus 4 17, this is 7, 1 will carry forward, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 9 16, here we need to write 6 and 1 will be carry forward, 3 plus 1 is 4. Hence the square of 684 is 467,856. Now coming back to our first question, where the question was the find the square of 506. Here we have applied the formula like 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, and we have multiplied 5 into 6, that is 30, into 2, that is 60. Then the final answer is 256036. Similarly, if we want to find the square of 304, and we can apply this trick when 0 is present in between these two digits. Now we can write this as 3 square is 9. So we can write 0 9. Middle portion we will write it later, and 4 square, that is 16. Now we have to multiply 3 into 4, that is 12. 12 into 2, that is 24, and we can write this as 24. Hence the answer of 304 square is 92416. Let us find the square of another number where this is a 3-digit number. If you want to find the square of 609, then we can write this as 6 square is 36 and 9 square is 81. Now multiply 6 into 9, that is 54, into 2, that is 108. And now 108 is a 3-digit number, so we can write this as 108. Now let us add all these two numbers, then we can write it as 1, 8, this is 8, this is 0, 6 plus 1 is 7, and here this is 3. So the square of 609 is 370881. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.